Some mornings you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Sunseeker 76 Yacht, built in Poole, England, by a yard that's been chasing this feeling for decades. The deep V-hull means the ride stays smooth long after the water gets choppy. Plenty of power to get out ahead of the afternoon weather. You're past the harbor and into open water before most people finish their coffee, and the main deck stays wrapped in glass the whole way out, so you never lose the view. Beach club drops at the stern, grills rigged, rain showers right there, tenders off the platform, and you're in the water in minutes. Flybridge is yours to set up how you want it. Spa tub for the evening. Jet ski crane for the morning run to the sandbar. Sunbeds up top, twin sunbeds forward, so there's always a spot in the sun no matter where the day takes you. Below deck, the galley runs dark wood and black stone under the same panoramic glass. 4 cabins tucked in behind it. But this boat isn't really about what's inside. It's about how fast you get from the dock to the part of the day that matters. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.